and welcome back to our channel. So today I thought I would start my morning with a cup of tea. I was really craving it this morning, and as you guys can see, it was the time of the month, so I really needed a water bottle. So first things first, of course, I jumped in the shower. These are my favourite products to use at the moment. I'm literally obsessed. So as you can see, this morning we were spending some time editing a video for you guys. We actually really enjoy doing editing together just because we both feel like we can help each other out and we both enjoy doing different things. Moment to talk to you guys about an app that me and Zelia both have been loving at the moment, and we've actually both been using for quite a while. The app is called Joie, and it is a journaling app. So basically what it is, you guys will know me and Zelia have always loved writing in diaries.
We've always done it for years now.
Yeah.
I feel like we've put it in videos before, so you would probably know that as well.
Yeah, so me and Zel always like to keep like memories of what's gone on in our days, or just like anything that's been going on within the day. We always like to have memories of it. So when we heard about this app, we was like, oh my god, this is so cool.
Really interested in.
We wanted to kind of just check it out and see what it was. So we're just going to talk to you guys a little bit about it. So as we said, it is basically it's a place where you can write in a diary day to day. It will ask you questions.
Which I actually like that about it, because not only are you writing down what you think, it sometimes like ask you questions like, oh, but why do you feel this way? So you get like options of how
whatever your answer is, it relates the next question into that, which is so cool. Also, there's so many fun other things on this app, such as breathing exercises, which is also so
which
cool.
you did actually the other day.
I did it the other day. You know, for someone like myself who suffers with anxiety, having those kind of things on an app is amazing. There's so many cool features in one place, which I absolutely love. But this app has really helped me just take time out of my day and just think about myself in a non-selfish way. Just to kind of just sit back and, don't know, just taking everything on what I actually get up to, or how I'm actually
especially
feeling.
like because we're going through such a different path in life now, so it's nice to, you know, have it down. But like another reason why I feel like the app is really good, because of course I write my stuff down, but sometimes I don't have my diary with me, and sometimes I want to like, I'm on my phone obviously a lot of the time, and I want to write things down like when I'm traveling or if I'm on the train. Instead of getting my diary out, hiding it, writing down, I'm just there on my phone, which I absolutely love about it. So that's another thing that I find really cool about the app. There's also another bit on the app where you can have your insights. So it basically like tracks it throughout the weeks and the months to really help you to see, you know, how you was feeling, have you made any progress and stuff, which is quite good. And I definitely would recommend the app. It's really useful, really helpful. Especially if you're like the type of person to like to have things down as well, like me.
I think everyone should. I think it's just something that's like quite good to look back on. Like we always like having memories, like I said just like previously. So having this kind of app that has the memories there, that it can help us just make us feel better. Why wouldn't you? But as I said, they have the breathing exercises, which is so cool. They have the breathe for calm, breathe for focus, and breathe for energy, which I literally think this is amazing. Sometimes I have those moments where I just feel like panic. I don't know if anybody else goes through those, but I feel like having an app like this, literally just get my phone out, sit down on my own and just chill, and then go through these exercises. Like always, I get messages always, how do you deal with your anxiety? And I honestly couldn't recommend this app enough. Seriously, sit down, take time out of your day to just do something for yourself. And I think going through these exercises, writing down how you feel, honestly makes you feel better. Everything will be linked down below, so you guys can go and check out the app. If you do, just to let you guys know, we are doing a little giveaway. We are doing a giveaway of 10 winners for a premium subscription, which you guys could be entered in. All you have to do is click down below into the link that we have left, and then just go pop your email in and get yourself on the app. And you could be in the chance of winning. You guys, if you get this app, you need to tell us.
Yeah, let us know your progress as well. And we'll let you know ours as well once we've used it a lot more. But yeah, I'm really excited with it. I'm really happy. And yeah, it's really been helping me at the moment.
Okay, so moving on to the kitchen, there was just a couple of things that needed washing up from yesterday, so we started off doing that. And then of course we wanted to tidy around the kitchen just so it was clean and tidy for the day. So to wipe down the surfaces, as you can see, I'm using the Flash All-Purpose Spray in Crisp Lemon. This is actually my favourite scent, and honestly, I absolutely love these sprays. We have them in so many different scents, and it honestly just does the job. Okay, so I don't know about you, but there is nothing more cozier than lighting a candle in the house. This one smells absolutely insane. It's called Orange Zest, and we actually picked it up from B&M, and it's very affordable and the smell lasts for ages.
Okay, so now it was time to start our video planning. We tend to do this in the morning, especially on filming days, to know what we have up, make sure we're on schedule, and make sure we have all of our deadlines done. So now it's time to get some breakfast. This morning we decided to have some porridge with some chocolate oat milk. And topped with some bananas and some nut butter. Because we woke up quite early this morning, we did have time to sneak in a movie. So today's choice of movie was Just Like Heaven.
You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason.
And that concludes the end of our morning routine. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.